Hi everyone and welcome back to Domenika, the place where we use makeup as therapy, and in today's therapy session we are going to do a edgy makeup. I already have my hair done. This is the hair that is inspired by Vivienne Westwood that I had in my Vivienne Westwood tribute that I wore on New Year's Eve, and it's still looking great even though I slept on it for 2 days now actually. Probably have to wash my hair soon. Anyway, this is in a way also going to be a second tribute to her because she was edgy and the queen of punk and just such an inspiration. So let's get started.
I start with a red lip liner. Winging out that eyeliner. Domenika.
Cheated a bit off camera and did my eyebrows with a bit of Legendary Brows and did a bit of primer for my eyelids. This is a 24-hour photo finish by Smashbox. To get started on the eyes, I'm going to use the classic powder pencil by Tilbury in black, or classic black I suppose, and this one is going to go underneath my eyes. So this is going to be a bit of a reverse kind of cat eye. This has been on trend and this is a bit edgy and unexpected and a bit punk. And if you're curious about how I did the hair, I have a tutorial on how I did it on my Instagram, along with the entire makeup I did for my Vivienne Westwood homage makeup. She is a very cool lady. I mean, I've been inspired by her designs. This does not need to be perfect. I'm just closing my eyes on this to get it all around. It's going onto my eyelids, but that's not necessarily much of a problem. And then for my eyelids, I'm going to use this Chrome Flakes by Danessa Myricks in Pride, which has this lovely shift. And this brush by Kryolan. I'm just going to pat this across kind of top here. And I also have a bit of this in my hair. As you can see here. And I stayed there for 3 days now, so. So now I did mascara off camera. I used the Full Fat Lashes by Tilbury. Moving on to my lips. This is by Kryolan and this is Lip Satin in Metal. I'm going to take the brush that I did to smudge my eyeliner. Just smudge the lip line. To top it off, I want to use a bit of the same on my lips. Adding a bit more intensity down there. I'm looking fairly edgy, I would say. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Chubby stick. It's barely on the left. This is by Clinique. Just on top of my cheekbones. I think I'm going to leave the under eyes and not do more coverage. And I'm not wearing any foundation either, so I think that would be kind of edgy in a way, because I just let the makeup do whatever it wants, you know? I feel like, for me, edgy is not kind of being completely perfect with a look. And if you want a bit more play with textures in this edgy look, you can add a bit of lip gloss. This is Clear Lipglass by MAC. And I'm just going to take a bit of this and add it to my lips. Give me a bit of that oil slick look. So there you have it. This is my edgy look for Erin's makeup challenge over on Instagram. And this is also my second Vivienne Westwood tribute, with still having my Vivienne Westwood hair going on. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And until next time, bye-bye. Or as they say in Norway, ha det bra!
I start with a red lip liner. I start with a red lip liner. Winging out that eyeliner. Domenika.